Hey guys, this is our ABC writing tablet, page 19 and 20. We are going to review some of our vowels and then work on our new letter on the back. So this is going to be really fun. All right, so remember our pull down strokes, push across, smile strokes, pull downs, all of our fun strokes, circle strokes. It's going to be good. All right, so our capital I is going to be in the upstairs and the downstairs. It's a pull down, push across, push across. And then the lowercase is a pull down with a dot. All right. The uppercase U is a smile. And then under the dotted line is a little smile with a pull down. That's the lowercase U. Capital E is a pull down, push across, push across, push across. The lowercase e is a push across, up and around. So let's do it again. Pull down. Miss Hendry's having a hard time on this screen. I'm sorry. All right. Pull down. Push across, pull down with a dot. Big smile, little smile with a pull down. Pull down, push across, push across, push across. Push across, up and around. All right, and let's trace our letters down here. E is for elephant. See, even Miss Hendry makes mistakes sometimes. Thank goodness for an eraser. Pull down, ready? Pull down, push across, push across, push across. And then lowercase e that says is push across, up, and around. The lower u for is a big smile and then a little smile with a pull down. Igloo is that says letter I that says I. The letter I that says I for igloo is a pull down, push across, pull down with a dot. All right, flip to the next page. All right. The letter T is the lowercase letter T is going to start halfway in the upstairs. It's going to be a pull down with a push across the dotted line. Pull down, push across. Pull down, push across. Pull down, push across. Pull down, push across. Remember, Miss Hendricks said she loves this letter because it looks like a cross. All right, and so the capital T is a pull down with a push across. Pull down with a push across. Pull down, push across. Pull down, push across. And so it is almost like the letter I, only it does not have a bottom push across. Okay, so it says circle the foods that start with the T sound. So let's look on the plate. Oh, I see a tomato. Tomato right here. Then I see a turkey. Turkey. All right, friends, if you find more, that's great. But do your very best on these handwriting sheets. Love you guys. Bye.